thank you for joining me today for your Business English Boost. This is episode 7 of your Business English Boost, where I'm reading through my entire book, The Little Big Business English Book of Vocabulary. Today, we're going to tackle a fantastic phrasal verb, bank on. Let's jump right in. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Melissa B. Duarte. I'm the author of the Global Business English Mastery Series, and I'm the author of this book, which we're reading through. So if you do have the book at home, we're reading from page 63 today. If you don't have the book, no problem. I'm putting the entire page of the book up on the screen for you guys. And if you do want to get the book, I'll link it down below in the description. It's $9.99 on Amazon. So let's take a look at phrasal verb bank on. Now, bank on is dynamite. Bank on is a great synonym for depend on. If you're banking on something, you're depending on something to happen. And it's not about depending on a person. This is different. You can bank on a situation. I'm going to read you the meaning and example here from the book. So to bank on, rely on, or expect something to happen. So when you invest in something, if you invest in a project, if you invest in yourself, if you invest in another person, you're expecting that to come to fruition. You're expecting that to be successful. You're banking on success. You're banking on something. I'll read you the examples here from the book. So we're banking on the Black Friday sales to boost revenue. So your company, you have a product which you're selling, and your company is relying on really good Black Friday sales to bring up your sales figures for the quarter, to make your KPIs, to make your sales numbers for the quarter or for the year. So if you bank on something, you're relying, depending on something to be very good. Or we're really banking on Jim to roll out this new project by the end of day. So we're really relying on someone to do something. So again, it can't just be relying on someone. That's one thing. You rely on someone, you depend on someone, but you depend on something for something. You depend on someone for something. So there's a bigger situation when we say bank on. I'm going to read you the next example here. Don't bank on a bonus this year. So many companies are cutting back. Business is not so good in some sectors. So companies are not giving out bonuses anymore. So you can say, don't bank on a bonus this year. Don't depend, don't rely on, don't expect to get a bonus this year, which means getting a little bit of extra money. So don't bank on it this year. Or you're hoping to get a promotion, but maybe you've lost a few clients. Maybe you've been late to a couple of meetings. So HR can come to you, or your manager can come to you, or your colleagues can come to you and say, don't bank on getting a promotion this year. It's probably not going to happen for you. On the flip side, it does not have to be negative. You could say, listen, you have secured 4 new clients. You've done so well with the company. You're very successful in what you do. You can probably bank on getting a promotion this year, which means you can depend on getting a promotion this year. So bank on could be, depend on something. You think something's going to happen, or you think something won't happen. Don't bank on it. Next example here is operations is banking on the new procedure to streamline process. So for example, you have a process at your work, maybe to do with logistics, and operations is banking on this new process to streamline. Streamline means to make everything easier, to streamline the process of something. So they are relying on something. And the bank on, think of it like put all your money in the bank. Put all your money into an investment. And because you believe this is going to be something successful, you believe this is the right step to take, this is where it comes from. So we're really banking on this to be a success. They're banking on this to be a great success or a great update for the company. So hopefully you found this great phrasal verb bank on useful. Go ahead down in the comments and let me know a sentence where you bank on something or something you don't bank on. And let me know, and I'll make sure you're using it correctly in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me for this Business English Boost. I'll see you back next time.